Hi, I'm Michael Hall. I'm a lead software engineer and I've been with Kainos now for just over 6 years. It's been a good ride so far. I could tell you a whole plethora of things, but I think I'll stick to two. And the first one is that you're always offered a challenge. I would get bored if I was just doing the same thing day to day, but since working with Kainos, I get the opportunity to really grow and expand my wings. They'll always offer good growth opportunities. So if you want to try something out, they'll always let you do it. And they'll always give you a big, like it won't just be piecemeal stuff that you're working on, it'll be something big. And I really enjoy that. And the other thing I really like is just the crack. Everyone you meet, like in every capability, are just really good fun and you can always have a good laugh. And that's what going to work's about, really. You don't want to dread going into work because what you do, you want to enjoy going in to see everybody, chat to ones, and have a bit of fun. My team are just like really great to work with. I always know they have my back, and even when you're working remote, you know they're always there to give you a hand, and we all work towards one common goal. And I think that really makes a difference. And we do enjoy having a good laugh with and at each other in a good natured way. So I enjoy every day that we're working together. Outside of work, I enjoy going to various music gigs, watching a bit of rugby, playing some video games. Fairly standard stuff, I think, but that's what I like to do. I really like alliteration, so I worked hard and created 3Cs. There'll be challenge, because you're always challenged to grow and improve yourself. There'll be caring, because everyone you meet really actually does care about you and what we're doing, and that just makes your life a lot easier and makes you enjoy your work a lot more. And finally, crack, because everyone likes to have a bit of fun in the company from the top roll down, and you can really just feel that in everything that goes out.